inauguration of Kobelco, the first Japanese company here, soon after I arrived at Chennai as Consul General of Japan, Southern India, early April. I am very happy to see the tremendous progress of Sri City since then. By now, there are 10 Japanese companies in Sri City, and I believe that more Japanese companies will join them very soon. I would like to congratulate the Sri City again on its achievements and wish Mr. Ravindra Sanna Reddy, Chairman, and members of the Sri City a continued success in their endeavors to further develop this integrated business city.
On behalf of Alstom Transport, I would like to congratulate Sri City in having set up this fantastic infrastructure that we have here today, and the governments of Andhra Pradesh and the government of India for having facilitated that. So as Mr. Ravi Reddy mentioned about the choice of the site that we made in setting up our factory, it's very important that the site we chose was a site which was able to deliver on its commitments. It had all the fundamentals right for us to deliver on our commitment to the customer, which is Chennai Metro.
It's a very historic day. It's a wonderful day. I cannot see a better day than this. It was a desert, or some small plants used to be there, some tanks used to be there. We never expected that this area will develop like this. Today, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh inaugurated 20 industries, laid the foundation for more than 10 industries, almost 30 industries going to come in this region, a small backward area of Rayalaseema. And I don't think anywhere in India or any state in India, 20 industries started in one day. The entire credit goes to the government of Andhra Pradesh, the Chief Minister of Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and also Mr. Ravi Sanna Reddy.
3 years ago, on 8/8/2008, precisely, when the Sri City was inaugurated, and there were 10 units that had been having the groundbreaking ceremony, I was here as the Minister for Industries with the then Chief Minister, late Sri Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy Garu. And again, I'm here today with the young, dynamic Chief Minister, Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu. We at the Industries Department showcase Sri City to the rest of the country. It's one of the most successful SEZs that we have in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Even by the government of India, it is being quoted as the best model for an SEZ.
I think it was a long journey. Me being involved, me and Raghuveera Reddy being involved in this long journey from the first day, from the first thought they got that they should have an SEZ here. I think there was a lot of resistance from the farmers here. It was very difficult for us to convince them that you'll have to part with your land. And I think I should appreciate the patient collector then, Mr. Rawat, who is here. All the 7,000 acres taken here was a consent award. With the consent of the farmers, we have taken all the 7,000 acres. Not a single dispute in court or anywhere else. You are having industries, I think 57 units have started now. Till now, I think about 5,000 employment is created in the total of about 2,500 crores investment. The target here is 500 industries are supposed to come here. It is the best in the state, and I won't be surprised if it is the best in the country also. We are not competing here with other states. We are competing with the world here. The industries who are coming here are coming from world over. We are the cheapest electricity to industry is in Andhra Pradesh. And it is actually a delight coming here and seeing all the industries prosper. And I wish them all the best. And I promise them that whatever support you require from the government will be given to not only this SCZ, all the industries in the state.
I had gone the other day to Chittor, Sri City. They have done an excellent job.